So we're only like 10 minutes away from that spot where I thought to turn around. You okay with that?
Yeah, that's only 10 minutes,
Yeah. And there's a really, right before you turn around, it's a really interesting little spot, as I recall. Well, these are brilliant. These trees, little stubby shrubs, whatever they are.
Yeah, like
wow. Say what?
Looks like these are everywhere in the world.
Oh yeah. I've never seen when they rained their leaves like this before. At that moment, never been at that passing at that moment.
Probably because of drought.
Don't know. Okay, let's see. Did we go over here? Now, normally we probably wouldn't be able to go over right here because there would be water. But we can cut through.
Okay.
How do you feel? How do you feel with that?
There's some humanoids up there.
Right? Normally we'd be wriggling around beside those rocks or something like that. Oh, yeah, this is fairly interesting right here.
It is a bit on the...
So it was even closer than I thought. So right up here, like 1 minute ahead, was where I thought to turn around. Normally the trail would be a little bit to that side of the creek, the way I normally come. Yeah, I think that's the way I came last time, is more around, there's a little trail around that way that comes back down right here.
Okay, so here's the question. How do these massive boulders get right there and that's it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's like, they're almost as spent like that one. It's like, that, I mean,
how does it feel comfortable there?
How
just settled there.
How does it get there?
Oh,
and just...
And look, is this tree holding it up?
Well, that tree hasn't been there forever.
No, it hasn't. No, it hasn't.
And I can almost guarantee you that boulder's been there longer than that tree.
Yeah. Good point. That goes straight to the point.
Boulder would have fallen, it would have...
Well, there's a bunch of places where there's a boulder, and then there's a tree that looks like it's trying to catch the boulder, but about 100% of the time, I mean, the boulder could have shifted slightly into the tree. You know what I mean? Could have slightly, but the tree grew up in the space available. Something like that.
Something like that. And then you see a tree growing out of literally the side of the rock. I mean, how does that...
Oh, yeah. Split. Well, they find cracks in the rocks.
But how do you get enough root to take hold?
Well, let's see. Bit by bit, I guess, because if you thinking this out, if there's a little crevice, a little bit of sediment can just be blown in there.
I guess I'll take it a little bit, right?
Okay, and then once a little bit of roots takes hold, the tree can help catch its own sediment.
That's a good one.
Yep. So I'm going to take another 360 up here, probably.
On that rock right there?
Yeah, on this little high spot. Yeah. And here's this big sweeping canyon, which I'm pretty confident goes back towards the falls.